Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to enable energy saver on this laptop. To do it, you have to right click the battery icon on your status bar, then go to power and sleep settings. Here select energy saver. To enable it manually, switch this toggle to the right. And alternatively, you can set the level of your battery at which you want the energy saver to turn on automatically. You can select one of these values, or you can select always if you want the energy saver to turn on once you unplug your device from the charging cable. Besides, you can switch this toggle, which toggles the lowering screen brightness when you're using energy saver. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.